We are in Ascot Hotel BGC. We are in 12th floor. The view of Shangri-La and PSC buildings view. You can see this building, PSC, Philippine Stock Exchange. There is a big building you can see in the right side. Okay.
This is left. This is left. This is left. This is right.
And let's move into our room. This is our kitchen.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Yes.
Pass it in. Right side. This is our bathroom. Moving to the step by step. So, our room. Actually, it is really good. This is my Buddha statue. And this is the view of some part of BGC. On the left side you can see High Street. There are a lot of hierarchy buildings. There are office and some you can see apartments. No traffic available in this time, around 11 o'clock. On right side also you can see lot of hierarchy buildings. Most of these buildings are apartments. Actually very nice. In BGC, very quiet and calm in daytime. You can see the ground floor in the under the BGC, under the Ascot building. There is a small park. Very nice view. We are staying 2 weeks, since 2 weeks, 2nd of January. We are lot of enjoying in here.